Welcome to another insightful tutorial by Boomi Explained. In this video, we're diving into a crucial aspect of integration, the try-catch shape. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. The try-catch shape is designed to handle errors that occur during the execution of an integration process. It can capture errors at both the process level and the document level for any documents that encounter issues. To use the try-catch shape effectively, it should be positioned prior to the primary processing shapes in your workflow. When documents flow through the try-catch shape, those that encounter errors are diverted along the catch path for further handling, while those without errors continue along the try path for regular processing. The try-catch shape empowers you to create sophisticated error handling and processing mechanisms for documents that encounter issues during execution. These problematic documents, along with their original properties, are directed down the catch path. Additionally, you have the capability to capture any exceptions logged in the original path and incorporate them into your messaging using parameter references to document properties. The primary objective of the try-catch shape is to proactively manage and address document-level failures, thereby safeguarding your process from potential overall failures, allowing you to take appropriate actions later in your process flow. The try-catch shape has an optional setting, failure trigger, that you can use to catch process errors as well as document errors. Display name. User-defined name to describe the shape. If one is not entered, try/catch appears on the shape. Retry count. Numeric value, from 0 to 5, that defines the maximum number of times a failed document will be retried through the main series of shapes after the try-catch shape. The retry count option pauses between retries. 0 equals the document will not be retried. Use this setting if you want to catch the error and deal with it in some other way. For example, archive the inbound document, send an email alert, etc. 1 equals the first retry occurs immediately following the first document failure. 2 equals if the document fails a second time, the system waits 10 seconds before retrying. 3 equals if the document fails a third time, the system waits 30 seconds before retrying. 4 equals if the document fails a fourth time, the system waits 60 seconds before retrying. 5 equals if the document fails a fifth time, the system waits 120 seconds before retrying a final time. Failure trigger. Used to specify the types of errors that the try-catch shape catches. Document errors, the default. All errors, document and process errors. The following errors are captured, no matter how the failure trigger field is set. Connectors that log errors for specific documents when errors occur, e.g., if an update operation fails because the document has an invalid ID. An exception shape that has the Stop Single Document checkbox turned on. A map shape, if it does not produce any output, generates a validation error or generates a connector error. The following errors are not captured if the failure trigger field is set to document errors. If you want to capture these errors, you must set the failure trigger field to all errors. Null pointer exceptions and similar process level errors. An exception shape that has the Stop Single Document checkbox turned off. Connectors that cause a full exception error to be thrown back to the process instead of capturing the error internally and logging it per document.